Okay, good morning. I forgot to film it. So we're in here in a massive tent. Look at this. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! And the gentleman in charge has asked me, will I fit a stove jack and the outbacker stove, which I've got one in my cabin, which we know about. I forgot. What we've got to do then is we lined up the outer circle here.
The flashing.
Yeah. That's the flashing, I believe, yeah. So this outer circle here, we marked it with a permanent marker. One on the outside did exactly the same. It was better on the outside than it was on the inside because it's more accurate on the outside. Then what I did then, I got trusty, have a look. Yeah, there, I got that. Stanley, just gently put a little X in this. You've got to be careful because there's two circles on this big tent with stitching. Do not cut the outside stitching. The inside's fine, okay? Then go on the outside. You need two really with this side tent because the distance between that and here is quite a distance. So you need someone inside.
Hi. To
put pressure on the plate and hold it wide. The other one pushes the bolt through, and then Katie can actually put on the nuts on the other end. Okay, so we'll just carry on with this and we'll show you when it's done. So a downside hand here with someone on the inside. So Kate's just put those on. I'll go back on the outside with the spanner. She'll stay on the inside. 2 10mm, and then should clamp down. You see the little gap there? All that should go because the actual rubber is ridged all the way around. So I think about 6 ridges on it, which will then squeeze the plates together, which will make it totally watertight. Okay, all tightened up. Daughter on the inside, much easier with someone on the inside. Now we're going to put that and put the pipes through. Here's your fire arrestor. Okay, that's last.
That stops it spitting out bits.
The sparks. And, can you pass that one? Okay. Now one of these should have, if you look at that, there should be a bulbous part where it's thicker, well wider, and there should be 2 of them. One to go over here. So that's what we're looking for now. Okay, that's the one. So he goes on first. Okay, and then we line this up. Now, so it's not a permanent feature at the moment. We're going to get a fire blanket and some slates on the floor. You can either buy a big slate, dig it out a bit so it's level. We're just lining it all up. Right. Now the other way as well, someone said. Look. These are stainless steel.
They're really light and thin, aren't they?
Nice, yeah.
Is yours not? Yours is the same.
Steel?
Yeah, it's the same. Steel.
Okay, now we'll get one of these through the hole. Ah. See, I know sometimes. Let's pause. Right. Where's the spark arrestor one?
It's gone over there, look, at the back.
Oh. Right. I think that's why you can reach.
Do you need to put any more on, or can you just put the spark one on now?
Well, it's nice to get it out the way.
Okay.
And then you can put the spark arrestor. There we go. That's the same as mine, and I've got a spare. So if you find it a little bit too sooty, then put an extra one on if you want, but you can do that from down. Do you want the extra one on?
Yeah, I would. Yeah,
actually, to be sensible and not be a stupid human, it's easy to take this one off here. Put it that way. So anyway, so what you do, you assemble all this first, and then you're
going to cut that all out.
No, I'm not, no. And there we go.
Ta-da!
Fantastic. Okay, so your ashtray goes at the bottom. These are your biltong drying racks, or socks, whatever you want to do. And then Katie's just going to fit the glass as a professional person that she is.
After I threw it across the tent.
Yeah, you might have to just tighten up a little bit.
Yeah, the quite stiff.
The what?
Are they same size as the other ones?
Yeah.
That one's...
This is removable, so you line it up with little tiny holes. There, you see that? And that come out, and this can be a direct fire for either kettle, cooking, stew, whatever you want to do. And then the one at the bottom, last not least, this is your door latch, and then this is your extractor to let more oxygen in, or close it at night if you just want to let it simmer. And that's it. It's that easy. Cheers, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, thank you very much, audience. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe on the button on the right hand side. Cheers. Do it. Oh, I missed it. Do it again. Brilliant, thank you.